Thursday, the 21st of August of our Florida trip, we went to Volcano Bay. Very brief video, as the visit was very brief. Hazel and I basically never left the beach of the wave pool. Did take a little stroll. The others went around the area, but they only managed 3 flumes as the queues were so long, up to an hour for each flume. Then the rains came, hence we moved off to an outlet on International Drive. Hazel and I had a snack, we all went our own way, very briefly, only there for an hour, maybe 2, and then back to the villa. So all in all, not a highly successful day, although we did decide we would go back to the outlet one day as it seemed worth another look. Anyway, enjoy the video, brief as it is.
Oh, that's the wave pool.
Filtering.
It's erupting.
That, folks, is what they call a wave. Like I would call it a ripple. Having just come through a downpour, we're now on an outlet on International Drive.
Certainly everything is not bigger in America.
Basil says that they provide step ladders. That's a cappuccino, and she hasn't drunk anything. But the bun is delish, so who cares really? We enjoy.